Wondering if it's still worth it to buy a home today? We're going to look at that. Especially if you're renting, you want to pay attention. That's coming up. My name is Keith Connors. I'm a realtor broker in Clearwater, Florida, here on the Suncoast. Please hit the subscribe button below. Subscribe to this channel so you can get to know the market. And it wouldn't hurt my feelings if you hit the like button every once in a while or shared this video. So now back to our question. Are you wondering if it's still worth it to buy a home in today's market? Here's one big reason why, if you can afford it, buying your own place might still be a great idea for you. The alternative to buying a home is renting, even if it's cheaper to rent in some areas right now. History shows rents usually go up over the years. Chances are you've seen this happen whenever you renew your lease, right? Like every time. If you buy a home with a fixed rate mortgage, you can lock in those payments. That means saying goodbye to those surprise rent hikes. Some rents have gone up $300, $500, $600. Let's talk about all the benefits of owning your home and how you can get ready to buy. Sometimes setting a plan in motion can pay off in a few months or even a year from now. But remember, subscribe to this channel below so you can get to know the market. It makes everything easier and it'll help you get your best deal. Call me anytime at 855 Mr. Beach. You can see homes for sale on or near the beach at MrBeachHouse.com.